gentlemen, permit me to follow the existing protocol. For those that I cannot be able to mention their name, because everybody here is important. We are in IPMAN gathering. On behalf of the National Executive Committee of the Independent Petroleum Marketers Association of Nigeria, IPMAN, I am delighted to welcome distinguished ladies and gentlemen to the innocuous and the solemn occasion of the inauguration of the above monitoring surveillance team. At a time in the life of our cherished nation that we are grappling with excruciating economic crisis, which the present administration is struggling to contain with its amelioration, it becomes expedient on this ESCO and indeed all the membership of our great association to join hands with the federal government of Nigeria to fight the ugly menace of some of the economic sabotage that is fueling the endemic economic crisis that is facing us as a nation. It is a stark reality that our constituency, which is IPMAN, as a major player in the downstream sector of the oil industry, is a major stakeholder, contribute more than 80% stake in the downstream distribution chain. It is as a result of this that the present ESCO deemed it fit to establish an internal mechanism to check the obnoxious activities of the economic saboteurs who are claiming to be our members and the society at large. That is the reason why for setting up this powerful monitoring surveillance team, which we have gathered here to inaugurate today. It is also pertinent to note that Operation Well, established by federal government through the Office of the National Security Advisor to curb smuggling activities, should be supported by stakeholders like ours. This team will monitor and report back to security agencies for investigation. Permit me at this juncture to salute the President and the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, for his economic reforms aimed at strengthening the fortune of this country to a better future, political and economic recovery. Though it seemed to be tough to our people now, I wish to assure you for the patience of well-meaning Nigerians as the gains of the reforms will revamp the economy and better lives of our people. We are hereby earnestly solicit for the support of the authorities of the Nigerian Petroleum Company Limited, NNPCL, with regard to operational logistics to ensure that this monitoring stroke surveillance committee becomes successful in this onerous national assignment. We are glad to announce to you that we will soon conclude arrangement with Dangote Refinery to lift PMS from the refinery. Similarly, we are equally solicit for the maximum cooperation of the security agencies across the state of the Federation to the IPMAN monitoring surveillance team, as their day-to-day operation cannot see the light of the day without their full cooperation and collaboration. Finally, I wish to seize this medium to salute the chairman and other members of BOT members, and indeed the entire membership of our great association, IPMAN nationwide, on whose mandate we are existing. Let us be advised to tread with caution as we carry out our legitimate businesses. As a popular dicton has it, to go with equity, you must to go with clean hands. For Caesar's wife must live above board. A word is enough for the wise. To the new members of the IPMAN National Monitoring Surveillance Team on illegal oil bunkering pipeline vandalism, adulteration of petroleum product, and other sharp practices under the leadership of Abdullahi Gusau as a national security advisor and Prince Nixon Ahanonu, the national coordinator. As you and your members are being sworn in today, we charge you to go down to work well focused. Please, you guys, you should be good ambassadors to IPMAN by ensuring that you play by the rules and embrace those virtues of integrity, uprightness, dexterity, and unity of purpose for which our great association is known for. We should not hesitate to invoke necessary disciplinary action against any of your members who found wanting in any way in the course of this crucial assignment. Well, wishing you the best outing in this National Monitoring Surveillance Committee assignment. You are hereby officially inaugurated. Today being 16th October 2024. Congratulations. I will not end this speech without assuring and making strong commitment of our total unalloyed support to the sound economic policies of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the renewed hope agenda of Tinubu administration. Long live IPMAN, long live NNPCL, long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you.
Had to deal with the NNPC, Dangote Refinery, and the DSS. Yes, sir. Can you tell us what led to this, sir?
Well, in fact, what led to is because of the new change of price, whereby the Director DSS, Alhaji, intervened to the issue of the price between we independent petroleum marketers and NNPCL. At the end of the day, the issue is being resolved, whereby we have a small reduction in Lagos parts. We have another reduction in the other Calabar, Warri, and Port Harcourt.
Okay, so now with this new development, before initially when the price went up to 1,030 naira, they said your colleagues will start selling from 1,200. So with this new development, how much can Nigerians expect to buy for it?
Well, in fact, you know, by the time when we get that small reduction, we calculate and see how we can reduce the way we get the reduction. But what we are just trying to do, we wanted to take our money out through the NNPC so that we can create another business partners, which is Dangote. We are still negotiating with Dangote to see that the way we can be able to start getting product through him direct.
So when did the negotiation with Dangote start?
Just of recent, we have started negotiating whereby the DGSS instructed the NNPCL authority to see that they issue importation license to independent petroleum marketers, at the same time to issue a license whereby we can be able to load product through Dangote.
So this deal, what does it portend? Are we sure that it's going to put an end to all the encumbrances?
Yes, definitely. By the time when independent petroleum marketers started loading their product direct, definitely you may find that there will be change in price.
All right, so you talk about last time that NNPC are owing you people. You want to collect your money from them based on the difference that occurred. Where are we right now?
Yes, right now we are still in discussion together with the NNPCL, which they promise us they will start loading us today. And I call all my members to be at their various depots wherever they have an outstanding payment so that they can be able to load their product and bring their product and discharge in their filling station and make sure that they sell this product in 24 hours.
All right, so is it based on the old price or the current price?
No, actually, you know, they give a certain price, which we tell them, since our money is together with them for a very long time, there is no way we can be able to buy that product at that rate. And actually, they accepted due to the DSS intervention, whereby at presently now they have a small reduction.
Thank you very much, sir.
What should we expect from the operations of the task force?
Well, you know, the task force, you know, as the bad name that we have been getting to the Nigerian populace, most of the people are thinking that we independent petroleum marketers were being involved. So by now, definitely when our task force started moving, all those people who are trying to sabotage the effort of the government, they will call to book. And they will know those people, they are not IPMAN members, but they are just the general citizens that participate in illegal activities. So they will be called to book.
So the task force, is it permanent? Is it going to be running?
It's permanent all over the country. That is why we make it mandatory to each and every state. We have 36 coordinators whereby they will checkmate, alliance, and collaborate with the security agencies so that all this menace will go.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.